Hello guys, forearm wheel pose. Forearm wheel pose is a deep back bend and for most of us it can take time to feel good in it. So we are going to learn step by step forearm wheel pose. So let's get started. So first step is warm up. Remember to have patience with your body and always warm up. Do core work before you do any back bends. Warm up for a deep back bend. Do a few rounds of locust and bridge pose. You can do cow and cat pose because it's really good for your back bends. For forearm wheel pose, you may want to utilize a few rounds of camel and dolphin pose as well. If you want that, it's not necessary. If you want, then you can do dolphin pose and camel pose as well. You should do some deep back bends poses so that you can feel good before doing forearm wheel pose. As I tell you before, practicing these advanced back bending poses, it is recommended that you are comfortable in wheel pose. Before doing forearm wheel pose, you should do few rounds of wheel pose. So we are ready to do forearm wheel pose. I will tell you two ways to do forearm wheel pose. It depends on you which one is comfortable according to you. We will start it from wheel pose as we hold wheel pose. And slowly we will go down and your hands around your head or flatten your palms out on the floor depending on the level of rotation you have in your forearms of this time. And slowly try to hold your ankle. To exit, reverse the process step by step. Have some rest and then ready to do second way. Lay down on the floor and around your head or flatten your palms out on the floor and slowly your head up by pressing your elbows into the mat and towards each other. When that feels good, add more time to your hold to reverse the process step by step to exit. You can do forearm wheel pose by practicing these two ways. And for now, bye and take care.